Hiya folks, so I started a bit of a tradition a few years back that when I went on holiday that I was going to collect fridge magnets from places that I visited for the fridge at Mr. J's. But when we went to Breen, they didn't really have any, which surprised me quite a bit because I really wanted a fridge magnet with the Breen on for my collection. But what they did have was this cool little seagull heart thing that you meant to like hang up and that. But I thought to myself, the old crafty mind going on, if I get a magnet or something to shove on the back of it, then I could turn it into a fridge magnet myself. So I've ordered in a magnet and I'm just waiting for it to arrive, and then once it comes I'm going to work my magic. So keep watching, see what happens. Ba ba da ba, ba ba da ba, ba ba da ba, ba ba da ba, ba ba da ba da da, ba da ba ba da ba ba da ba. Boom 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 boom. Da 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 da. Clever girl.